Welcome to the ultimate guide to Brazilian waxing versus shaving. Curious, which one is truly better for your skin, lifestyle, and confidence? Today, we break it down with 15 critical points you need to know. Let's dive in. 1. Pain tolerance. How much can you handle? Brazilian waxing can be painful, especially at first. Shaving is painless but can cause razor burns. Cities, like New York and London, favor waxing salons for smoother results despite the pain. Pain reduces significantly after repeated waxing sessions. 2. Time commitment. Fast or long-term. Shaving takes 5 to 10 minutes, but needs frequent upkeep. Waxing appointments can take 30 to 45 minutes, but last long. Busy lifestyles in cities, like Sydney and Toronto, favor quick shaving routines. Waxing may fit those who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach. 3. Cost over time. Short-term versus long-term expense. Shaving is cheaper upfront, razor plus cream. Waxing is pricier per session, but needs fewer appointments. In Germany and Sweden, many choose waxing packages for better deals. Consider if your budget allows for salon visits every 4 to 6 weeks. 4. Skin sensitivity. What's safer? Shaving can irritate sensitive skin with daily use. Waxing removes hair from the root, minimizing daily friction. Nordic countries often prefer waxing to prevent winter skin dryness. Sensitive skin users might react to either. Always patch test. 5. Hair regrowth. How fast does it come back? Shaving cuts hair at surface level equals regrowth in 1 to 3 days. Waxing pulls hair out equals slower regrowth 3 to 6 weeks. Australians favor waxing for long beach seasons. Longer smooth periods mean fewer touch-ups. Appearance of regrowth. Sharp versus soft. Shaving causes blunt, sharp edges, feels prickly. Waxing promotes finer, softer regrowth. Miami and Los Angeles favor waxing for beach-ready skin. No visible stubble for weeks after waxing. Risk of ingrown hairs. Real talk, both methods can cause ingrown hairs. Waxing reduces the chance over time. Shaving against hair growth is a common mistake worldwide. Exfoliating helps, regardless of your choice. Convenience. Home versus salon. Shaving is easy to DIY anytime. Many Canadians prefer DIY shaving for the convenience. Home waxing kits exist but can be tricky. Prep and aftercare. How much work is it? Shaving needs basic moisturization after. Waxing needs special care. Avoid hot showers, tight clothing. In Paris and Milan, salons offer premium aftercare services. Skipping aftercare can cause redness or bumps. Ideal for special events, weddings, vacations. Waxing lasts through the honeymoon or vacations. Shaving needs constant upkeep during trips. Brides in New Zealand often book Brazilian waxes before weddings. Plan waxing 2 to 3 days before big events to let redness settle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Are you team wax or team shave? Tell us below. See you next time for more beauty and wellness tips from around the world.